Poaching fruit as a dessert has always held a very special place in my heart. I have the fondest memories of growing up and enjoying these great wonders created by my mother. While every season had its own version of fruit or poaching liquor, here I have one that is created apt with the season that we are in. Here we are going to poach today some great figs paired beautifully with a modern twist of ginger ale, some star anise and cinnamon coming through beautifully. I'm going to pair this with some luscious Italian mascarpone cream, a perfect dessert to ride through this test of time. Let's get to creating my version of a poached fig, an ode to the yesteryear but with my modern twist to it. Let's get to cooking it. Poaching fruit has been a dessert that has lost its charm over the years. While we have the fondest memory of our mothers creating various styles and concoctions, the great trick over here was to create the perfect poaching liquor and ensure the fruit subtly steeps in it. So to start off with, in my saucepan, I'm going to take about 600 ml of ginger ale. Now, while I'm using ginger ale because I want the sense of the ginger coming through really well, you can actually take some sparkling water, pair it with some ginger and sugar syrup and create and reciprocate this great emulsion. So here that goes in 600 ml of some ginger ale. I'm just going to allow this to come to a boil and simmer for 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to merge through along with the spice. So here I have about 1.5 inches of a cinnamon quill that goes in. 2 star anise, because the flavor that star anise gets while marrying into the ginger ale is by far something truly unique. And you want a little bit of spice, so 12 whole black peppercorns going right in. Allow this to come to a rapid boil and simmer. In the meantime, let's get to nipping our fruit. While we are going to let our modern take on a poaching liquor simmer to perfection, it's time to nip the fruit. So here I've got the fig. I do not want to bruise the skin in any fashion, so I'm just going to create a cross right at the pit of it and allow the liquor to steep in when it gets to poaching it. So you take a fig, you just create a small little cross right at the head of it for the poaching liquor to go right in. While this gorgeous ginger ale poaching liquor has been simmering for nearly 15 minutes and this golden liquor is beautiful, it's bubbling. It's now time to drop in our figs that we crossed. So in they go gently. We do not want to have them poached way too much. We just want them to get and absorb most of the goodness that this liquor is going to bring to them. So I'm using about 16 figs and I want them to get to a beautiful color and a beautiful poach simmering gently. We're just going to allow this to come to one boil and we are going to switch off the flame and allow it to steep at this beautiful temperature with it. With this coming to a beautiful simmer where you can see small little beautiful bubbles coming through, it's now time to switch off the flame and allow this beautiful figs to steep in this ginger ale beautiful poaching liquor. While we let the figs to poach for a good 15 to 20 minutes because I like to enjoy them warm, it's time to create the mascarpone cream. So I've taken about 250 grams of mascarpone. If you do not have mascarpone, you can use any cream cheese variant or just use some whipped cream and create this beautiful emulsion. To this, I'm going to add a few drops of vanilla extract, so about 2 drops of vanilla extract and 4 tablespoons of beautiful powdered sugar. We're just going to add that in and create the perfect emulsion. Whisk this and smoothen it out till you form the perfect sweetened emulsion. that is free of any lumps and is quite foamy in nature. With this beautifully put into a bowl, it's now going to go straight into the refrigerator to chill. With this steeping for a good 15 minutes, my figs have poached beautifully, absorbing all the goodness that the ginger ale is going to bring. Here I'm just going to add one fig into a bowl whole, plus I'm going to cut a fig into half so that we can enjoy the lush goodness that the interiors have, with a little bit of the poaching liquor as well, and experience great nostalgia of my childhood coming alive in this Decadent, my version twist of a dessert. I'm going to pour a little bit of this poaching liquor, warm, succulent, and it's going to pair beautifully well with my vanilla scented mascarpone cream. 1 star anise per bowl is going to just elevate the entire experience. Here we have it, my beautiful ginger ale poached figs, slight subtle flavors of the star anise and the cinnamon coming through really well. I hope you enjoyed creating this version, a very modern take on a classic that we enjoyed all through our growing up years. Don't forget to share some love by hitting on the like button, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.